Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to August 30th here. I'm going to show you guys 4 signs in the market why I have to put this as non-financial advice, but I really do believe today, August 30th, is an incredible time to get money into Dogecoin. I'm going to go over 4 reasons of why I believe this is a very good time. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want to come out and say that first. Quick update for you guys. We ended up winning a trade the other day we called out. It was DOT, but I want to explain to you guys what this looks like and how it correlates to the current performance that we have for our scalping callouts with our membership. So you guys will notice this is in blue. Why is it in blue? Here's what I want to do. All of the trades that we take, I want to take them in order so everybody can follow. But I want to also have a place where you guys have transparency to say, hey, are we actually winning every trade we call out or are we losing some? And the only way for me to do that is to actually present everything. So I made a quick little key for us over at the bottom right here. Trades in blue are extra trade callouts, okay? These are not reflected in the percent gain. You guys can see 440% has not gone up to 480. It is because we're not going to reflect that. But I wanted to kind of give you guys a place where it's like, hey, if I'm calling trades out on the side, you guys need to know if we're winning those or losing those. That's part of the performance record as well. But we're going to take them in order, but I'm not going to be counting it as the overall performance. So good job, guys. My point of the coming out and saying this is great job for everybody who took that. Even if you're in the pending trade, you had extra money to take. Great job, guys. We are able to call these out for all of you guys who have a membership. It's just $75 a month, and we call all the scalping trades out for you guys, as well as you get access to all the crypto metrics. But in today's video, I want to go over this, guys. I want to go over Dogecoin and explain to you guys the 4 reasons why I really believe Dogecoin is a really good buy right now. You guys can see we've been buying back into the market. We already bought back in when we were lower down here, so you guys are kind of getting a little grace of a second chance of a buy back in. Okay, these indicators right here are in the description. I'll show you guys at the end of the video how to get 53% off these 2 indicators here. It's the best indicator I guarantee you guys will use to call tops and bottoms in the market, and we're going to be going over that today, and I'll show you guys how to use that. All right, number 1, let's dive right in. The first sign that we all need to be seeing right here is we have a buy signal on the daily that went off. And this by nature is very, very bullish for us on these charts, okay? Let me spell this correctly here and then we'll move on from there. Here's the reason why. Now, I'm not just going to say, guys, hey, it's a bullish sign because it's buy. No, let me actually give you guys some proof over here of what this has looked like the last few times we've actually had buy signals go off. So coming to the far left over here on candle close, which is where we need to start here, we saw a 41.98%, close to a 42% jump in Dogecoin last time, the furthest time away we got a buy signal. Let's jump to the next one here, 24.31. The next one after that, structure high before we saw moves down, 47.26. If we're averaging this out here, it's pretty close to about the 38, maybe 40% mark on average that we're seeing. If we take this buy signal and we take a look at where that places us and we look at about 30 to 40%, it actually puts us below or just at about structure high up here. Okay, this signal came back to structure high here. This signal came past structure high here. And I wouldn't doubt if we potentially could see, I'm not going to get super aggressive on here and come out here and say 20 cents or anything like that. I could see a really good bull run taking over and we probably won't head any higher than about 0.09 cents, but that's about a 43% move up in the market. I would say even just a 50% retracement here, getting us up a little bit, is an easy 20%, 20 to 40% we could see. So that is the first bullish sign that we see in the market with the TC top and bottom finder calling a bottom point, which is incredible. Guys, if you are going to make money in this market, you have to have metrics and indicators that call tops and bottoms. That is literally how you make it. Warren Buffett was right, guys. You have to buy low and you sell high. I know there's some people in our community that are even setting this up where they're buying, they're just selling. They're buying, they're selling. They're going back and forth. You guys can do that if you'd like. All right, the second bullish sign here is I want you guys to come down here and look at the price versus well money flow. All right, this is so stinking low in the market right now, and I want to explain to you guys how this works. This tracks transactions over here on the blockchain on the actual exchange. So we're currently looking at Binance for Dogecoin. Okay. As this green line moves down here, this is showing you guys that the whales are selling. But you must understand that once they sell, guys, they're eventually going to buy back. Why? Because the demand of a lower price is so enticing to retail traders and institutions. Why? Because who doesn't want to buy low and sell high? Take a look at the last time we were down here on the well money flow. This pushed us down here. We got a buy signal, which pumped us up about 42% in the market. So the second bullish sign we see over here is actually the price versus well money flow is low, and it's very low, and this by nature is very bullish. Okay, if this was up here at the top section, we'd have to call this bearish. If this was at the top section, we'd have to call it bearish. But let's move down here to the third sign I see here. Third sign here is we're seeing trend exhaustion. Trend exhaustion is actually forming a form of divergence here where we have a low and a higher low during the same period of time. We are actually seeing the market move down here. So what this is telling us is the actual structure itself of Dogecoin on Binance on the daily time frame is looking to move back up. It's due for a move back up. It makes sense because we're seeing such a far drawdown in the market. We're looking for that bounce. Again, it's correlated perfectly with a historical evidence that the market usually moves up when we're down here. We got a buy signal as well. So our third sign here is going to be trend exhaustion, and this is divergence. Okay, and this by nature, the way this is set up in here is a bullish sign. And we'll move on to the next one. Okay, what is the fourth sign I see in here? So if you guys are taking a look at this, we got a buy signal. We've got the price or swell money flow low. We've got the trend exhaustion here. The fourth one I currently see is we have a strong structure support as far as price action. So price action has a very nice structure support here. It's a little bit of a valley, and then we've got a little bit of a valley here, which right around this zone, we're sitting at about 0.05, 0.06, so 5 to 6 cents here. We have a very strong support level right here. And I do think this is going to act as a little bit of a bounce. So if we're looking at the 4 signal here, we're actually seeing that we have a strong support. So strong support, and this usually is a bullish sign in the market where people look to buy back in. Okay, so I don't want to make this a super long video, but based off these indicators here, this is where I want you guys to be looking every day and just assessing, okay, should I get money in the market? Should I get money out? Do this when the market's high. Assess and look through all the metrics here, guys. This is literally called a 41%, 24%, and 47% move up in the market. Could we be seeing another 20 to 40% move? I think that's not, I don't think it's unlikely. Let's say that. Take a look at the historical data down here of how low we've gotten, okay? Let me show you guys now how to get these indicators on your charts, because we're using these not only for scalping, and we're 440% more than the S&P 500, but we've got other people in here doing very well with these as well. I had a guy over here, he did 450% on, he did use leverage, just so you guys know. He's like, I gained about 450%. I did use leverage on the 30-minute, and people are making their money back already. So here is what I want you guys to do. In the description, there is a link to our indicators. These two indicators down here, the trend exhaustion and price or swell money flow, are part of what we call our bundle pack. Here's the deal. You guys purchased the bundle pack today, you guys are going to get 82% off. That's awesome. Immediately once you purchase this, you guys are going to get a PDF on download, like immediately after you purchase, and you are going to get a 53% off coupon code to use for our new indicators, the top and bottom finder. It includes the market reversals. I can bet you guys, I say this humbly, there's not a better metric in the market to call tops and bottoms for cryptocurrency. We've tested this out, and you guys can see it on all the past videos that we've done. Literally called the top of Dogecoin before it moved back down, and it has called not only the bottom, guys, it is called the exact bottom candle of Dogecoin. I've been doing analysis for many years, guys, and I was not able to predict it at these exact bottom candles. The algorithm was. Okay, so that's where the value is coming in, is it's huge. You start trading with an algorithm that's calling things this predictable, this is where the money starts adding up in your accounts, okay? So here's the deal, one more time. If you guys want to purchase the top and bottom finder by itself, that's great. The price that you pay for this indicator, it's better to go ahead and get the bundle pack first, get the coupon code, and then purchase this because it's actually cheaper. Again, purchase the bundle pack below, get your 82% off, and then immediately get the coupon code, and then click this link right here, and then you guys will get 11 indicators instead of 2. That's the best deal we got going on for you guys right now, so make sure you guys snag that and set it up. But I'm excited. I'm looking for more scalping trades coming out this week, and if I see them, I'll definitely be calling them out to you guys, but I want to come out and do this video and show you guys what I personally believe is undeniable proof. This is a very good time to look to get money in the market. You know what? Use buy limits, guys. Maybe if you're looking to put money in the market, personal opinion, 25% of your cash allocation, maybe 33%. Use some other buy limits. And speaking of buy limits, the indicator comes with buy limits for you guys. Now, in this video here, because I know it's getting a little bit long, I want you guys to look at this. This indicator here comes with these buy limits here, and these are all coded at very strong support levels, as well as Fibonacci retracements. All right, I want to show you guys, so I open this up here. When you guys look at this, this is showing you guys the actual cent level here of where you can get money in the market. If you want to see more decimals over here, we coded this in so you can simply just go to a 4 and you can get this really dialed in. And this is actually live prices right here. So as you watch this, you'll probably see this update on this video, but these are actually pulled from the live exchange prices. So if you guys are like, look, Travis said we've got 4 bullish signs here to get money in the market. I've got an extra $1,000 I can pull over to put in Coinbase. All right, what if I take my $1,000, I split it into 3 equal portions. I put $333 here, $333 here, $333 here. That will give you guys incredible risk management, and you will also be taking advantage of all the signs right now that are bullish, because proven to you guys, this is coming from a 41, 42% pump, 24 and 47, and I do believe we're going to see a little bit of a market move up here, and I think this is a really good time to be looking to get some money back in the market, just as we already have on this channel. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. Have fun doing this analysis on any stock, any crypto, or Forex. Get the indicators below. Buy those today, guys. You'll get access to everything, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy making the money, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.